Hey guys! So right now I'm just gonna make this video since I don't really want to do anything else. Cheetah wanted. Oh, well, you have to be a member if you want a cheetah. If you have 12 months, your gift is only 60 diamonds. Yeah, you'll get that. So right now I'm gonna make. No, I'm gonna just turn. No. I'm just really, really just. Oh my gosh. Oh yay. Yay. I can finally go to the water. I think we can't do that. Yeah, it's so good. Okay, anyways. I'll be playing games and also with the beautiful. He turned off. I'm gonna go to my cousin's then. What the? I know I'm in caps lock. Sorry if you can hear people downstairs. So that's really nice. Well, all these books. So yeah, I'm just gonna play silly games. First is the Swoopy Eagle. I'll use spacebar. Makes it easier. Yeah, my high score is 19. I was about to get it to 20, but then I bumped. Oh, that didn't bump. Oh my gosh. No! No. Ugh, no. No. Okay, concentration. I really need to concentrate. No. Ah! Why did I need to make it cactus? That's the thing, I know. You're not supposed to talk while playing. Okay. Next will be Temple Trivia. Tokyo is capital of which Asian country? Japan. Wow, there's Philippines. Philippines of country. I don't know. Russia? Wow, no. The foreign. Oh my gosh. I didn't. Mountains are found. Oh. Don't scared. So easy. Renee is physically living. No! No. Ah, at least in third. Yay, in third. I'm third. Oh, that's an honors. Piazza Navona. Right? See? Bastille Days, National France. National France. I don't know. There's nothing like that in the Philippines. Temple of Heaven in Beijing. China. Yeah, Beijing's China. I don't know, I'm just clicking randomly. Can you float down the Grand Canal passenger Italy? Yes, cheap. Which continent is the second smallest in size? Oh my gosh. North America. No! Sweden. Norway. Really? What's my rank? Tell me. I'm now 5. Okay, so next. Phantom Invasion. Only one try. Don't really want to use my gems, even if it's so much. No, that's enough. That's just really weird of me. Okay, now the long shot. Should be like that. And thank you, Beaver. Wow. Thank you so much, beavers. Wee. Wait, are those beavers? I know they're not. They're like, I don't know. Those thingies on the hole. I know them, but they're Mr. Bean. I just don't know what their name is. No! What the? 10 gems, really. Yeah, starting that. Wee. Wee. Don't stop. Don't stop rocking your eyes without. Yeah, this is the last part. She underestimated she's different. She's she's not what you think, she's an actress. She's a things that she does on the mattress. See, she's got a face, stealing other people's toys on the playground, making many friends. She should keep in mind, she should keep in mind, there is nothing I do better than revenge. The stories of when it was nothing else. Think about it. Stories of when it was hot and it was summer and I had it all, I had it right there all for it. Bye.